Hello viewers, this is Ajhal Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about a new data entry project, and I'm going to show you how to do this type of job which is available on Upwork or any other freelance marketplaces. So here I found this job from Upwork Plus client, which is great to see. And the job title, as you can see, web researcher, data entry specialist needed for simple task. Okay, and the client needs to hire 4 freelancers, and here's the instructions he or she has given. Okay, so I need someone to complete a very simple task for me. Process, here's the process he described. I'll provide you with a CSV file of web domains. He will provide us domains like this, upwork.com or maybe facebook.com, etc. Okay, I'm going to talk about this in few minutes maybe. Okay, so you will copy a domain into similarweb.com to reveal the monthly traffic and the country location. So we are going to open this website. We are going to use this website for our purpose. Okay, and attached are 3 screenshots. We have to collect actually the monthly traffic of any website and the country location. And attached are 3 screenshots where you can find this information. Copy the monthly traffic and the country into the CSV file. So let's see what is being attached. So country primary, I'm going to download this image. Let's keep it download. Okay, and traffic png and country backup png. Okay, and the client has attached a CSV file as well. So let's read these parts as well. A few important things: all traffic needs to be in the 000s. Important, make sure units are consistent. So I'm having some trouble in understanding this part, but let's see, let's check out these screenshots to understand it better. Okay, so the primary place to find country is shown in country primary.jpg. So he or she is mentioning this image. Okay, but if this is not seen, then look at country backup jpg. So we have to check out this image. All right, so you're going to check them out. If you cannot find information, put in NA. So if any information field is missing, we just have to put NA, okay, in the field. So it is very simple request. I have 7k plus 7,000 plus entries to be worked through, and I need reliable, consistent freelancers. So attached to this job description is a sample file. Please fill out and include it with your cover letter. An accurate sample is a requirement to be hired for this role. So here's the test file he or she attached, and we have to fill out these informations as by following these instructions. And if we are going to provide them the accurate entries, then we'll be hired for this project. And this is a big project, we could say. As you can see, 7,000 plus entries. So first of all, let me check out these screenshots. So this one here is country rank United States. Okay, we'll see this soon. And then we have got country backup. Let's see what is the place. Country backup here, overview, country backup. Okay, and then we have got traffic png, which information, this one, total visits, this one. Okay, so I think I'm clear with the instruction. Let's do it live. For the test file .csv, I have to download this file first. Download, and let's open this file. Okay, so here we go. We have got 1 entry completed here, and the client has attached 19 more entries to be filled out as a test. Okay, so we are going to copy this one first. I've just copied by putting Ctrl C and putting it here, search. So let's collect the country here from country rank Germany. I'm going to copy this country name here and paste it here, and visitors 00s. Let's see what. So here we go. 486.01 million is the visitors count. Okay, let's check out this part, A, B, C, and Y. to understand the 000s thing. Three three two, okay, and 3320. Okay, so we have to put here 4860 instead of this full count. These are millions, okay. And then let's go for the next one to collect information for. Okay, so country rank here, United States. Copy the country name. Oops. And then collect the visitors count, 390k. Okay, so 390.38k. So I'm actually going to put here k. Okay, so here millions I'm going to put like this, and then here only the k, or thousands, then I'm putting k only. Okay, so this is the process to collect information for this project, and the client has about 7,000 of data or domains. Okay, these are the domains. Okay, so 7,000 of domains, and we have to collect information of the country information and their visitors count for all of these 7,000 websites. Okay, so this is the job, and the client is spending 9.11, about $9 per hour. So you will be able to make easily $9 if you just apply on this job with a budget of $9. Okay, the client could hire you for this amount. So this was the task, guys. So this is very easy, and I hope you have found this video helpful to learn the process of doing a simple web researching or data entry task on Upwork, or maybe you will find these types of job on freelancer.com and fiverr.com as well. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to implement these knowledge into getting jobs on several freelance platforms and get started with your freelancing journey. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.